Hello guys! For today's vlog, pinuntahan namin ang pinipilahan since day 1 at binabalik-balikan at ang literal na unlimited, walang iba kundi ang Mariel's Unlimited Samgyupsal. Ang Mariel's Unlimited Samgyupsal ay may dalawang branch. Ang first branch ay open ng Monday, Sunday, 11 AM to 12 midnight. Located at Crossing Jetty Gasoline Station, Carlota de Leon Street, Santa Teresita, Angeles City. Ang second branch ay open Monday to Sunday, 11 AM to 12 midnight. Located at Yard Complex, Pandan Road, meaning stoplight. Ang pinuntahan namin today ay ang second branch na located sa Yard Complex, Pandan Road, meaning stoplight. So guys, dito sa Mariel's, may pagpipilian ka sa kanilang menu. Merong samji na worth 199 pesos at ito ang may unlimited drinks, unlimited pork, unlimited carbonara, unlimited chicken salad, unlimited side dishes. Meron din ditong samji na worth 249 pesos at ito ay may unlimited drinks, unlimited pork, unlimited chicken wings, unlimited carbonara, unlimited chicken salad, unlimited side dishes. Meron din ditong samji na worth 299 pesos at ito ay may unlimited drinks, unlimited pork and beef, unlimited carbonara, unlimited chicken wings, unlimited chicken salad, unlimited melting cheese, unlimited side dishes, and lastly, meron din ditong samji na worth 349 pesos at ito ay may unlimited drinks, unlimited pork and beef, unlimited chicken wings, unlimited carbonara, unlimited chicken salad, unlimited melted cheese, unlimited side dishes. So dito guys, ang inavail namin ay ang masarap na samji na worth 349 pesos. Ayan guys, makikita ninyo na meron tayong unlimited drinks, unlimited pork, beef and chicken, unlimited chicken wings, unlimited carbonara, unlimited chicken salad, unlimited melted cheese, unlimited side dishes. So guys, ano pang hinihintay mo? Dito ka na sa Mariel's Unlimited Samgyupsal, sulit at busog ka dito. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapollow sa akin, pakipollow na lang po ang FB account ko, Angelito Cueva Santos, at ang aking YouTube channel, Manghihilot at Magtatawas. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for watching guys.